When it comes to enhancing your home's beauty, energy efficiency, and security, investing in new window installations is a smart move. Dallas homeowners have numerous options for window installation services, but choosing the right provider and understanding the nuances of window replacement can make a significant difference. Here's what you need to know about top window installation services in Dallas, including key factors to consider, types of windows available, and tips for selecting the best contractor for your needs. The importance of quality window installation. Quality window installation is about more than just aesthetics. It also impacts your home's insulation, comfort, and utility bills. Poorly installed windows can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and increased energy costs. In a city like Dallas, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically, properly installed windows help maintain a consistent indoor climate while reducing HVAC strain. Investing in reputable window installation services ensures your windows perform optimally, protecting your home and boosting curb appeal. Types of windows commonly installed in Dallas. Dallas homeowners can choose from various window types, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Here are some popular options. Double pane windows. Double pane windows feature two glass layers with an insulating gas layer in between, enhancing energy efficiency and noise reduction. These are especially popular in Dallas due to their ability to reduce heat transfer and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technology, including low emissivity, low-E coatings and improved thermal barriers, to minimize heat gain. This is a great option for reducing energy bills, given the warm Dallas summers. Sliding windows. Sliding windows open horizontally, making them a practical choice for spaces with limited vertical clearance. They are known for their ease of use, sleek design, and excellent ventilation. Casement windows. Hinged at the side and opening outward, casement windows offer superior ventilation and a tight seal when closed, maximizing energy efficiency. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows extend outward from your home's exterior, creating an elegant focal point that enhances curb appeal and offers additional interior space. What to consider when choosing a window installation service. To ensure a successful window installation project, it's crucial to choose the right contractor. Here's what to keep in mind. Reputation and reviews. Start by researching reputable window installation services in Dallas. Online reviews, testimonials, and recommendations from friends or neighbors can give you a good idea of a company's reliability and quality of work. Experience and certification. Look for contractors with a proven track record and relevant certifications. Professional certifications indicate that installers have been trained to follow industry best practices and safety standards. Quality of materials. High-quality windows are a must for long-lasting performance. Ensure the contractor offers products from reputable brands known for durability, energy efficiency, and style. Warranty and after-sale support. A reliable window installation service should offer a comprehensive warranty covering materials and labor. This ensures peace of mind in case of future issues. Customization options. If you have specific design preferences or unique window dimensions, consider a contractor who offers customized solutions tailored to your home's needs. Benefits of professional window installation in Dallas. Professional window installation offers numerous benefits, including enhanced energy efficiency. Properly installed windows minimize air leaks, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor climate and reducing energy consumption. Improved home value. New, high-quality windows can significantly boost your home's resale value by enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency. Increased security. Modern windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass, adding an extra layer of security. Noise reduction. High-quality windows can reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Tips for getting the most out of your window installation. Plan your budget. Understand the full cost of window installation, including materials, labor, and any potential additional expenses. Consider energy rebates. Look into energy efficiency rebates and incentives available in Dallas to offset costs. Ask for multiple quotes. Comparing quotes from several contractors allows you to find the best value and quality for your budget. Inspect the installation. Once your windows are installed, inspect the workmanship thoroughly to ensure there are no air leaks, gaps, or other issues. Conclusion. Selecting the right window installation service in Dallas is essential for maximizing the benefits of new windows. By choosing a reputable contractor, investing in high-quality products, and understanding your options, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall value. Don't settle for less. Opt for professionals who prioritize your satisfaction and long-term performance. Your home deserves it.